Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. We've hit 2 watch hours on this channel, and we hit 2.9 watch hours by the second. This is the watch hour goal right now, so 0.9 watch hours. So right now, we're gonna talk about something really important. Is that like, is there a life out there, and how to make a planet better than Earth? Yes, this is extremely important for our survival. So, and right now have the Earth, and now we're gonna just see what would happen if we increase the temperature, because temperature is important for survival. Now the first part, it's not very interesting, but you'll see it will get interesting. So right now, if we increase the temperature like this much, hold. Okay, so now everywhere is melting. So did you see that we just broke the climate change of our planet? And see those climate change videos too. Yeah, so the things that can make a planet habitable is star. Now, stars are important. These are the most important things for planets. For example, our sun, this is a K-type star, which is extremely good. It's better than our sun because it survives for a long time and life can expand there. And let's see its habitable zone to place an Earth in a region that's really good for survival. Okay, so here is its outer region. So now let's say that this is region 1, this is region 2, and this is region 3. Okay, so now that we've talked about these regions, a Earth should be right around, okay, so here is 1.1880. So an Earth should be right around here to get enough temperature to work, basically to have life. So if we go inside orbit's bend, this is what it would look like. This is, it's freezing. This one is must heat up with. Let me see, heat up the time. Yeah. So this one, surprisingly, it's not heating up. This is because that this distance isn't enough. So let's just make it really close. And did you see that its temperature actually rises? And to make even things more fun, we're gonna just make it too close. That would heat up, yeah. So now it's heating up. Pretty interesting. And did you see that its color actually changes? This because that its temperature has changed. Okay, so the other mercuries freeze. So this is a Earth good for survival. Our temperature is a bit higher, and this is better because we can survive more on an Earth that's hot. If you haven't seen those climate change videos, or if you have seen them, basically I said that climate change should be stable. It should not be a big difference. Otherwise, even 30 degrees Celsius is good if it doesn't change. If it doesn't change from 30 to like something else. Yeah. So this is very good if the temperature doesn't change. The other thing is that our Earth should be a bit bigger. So firstly, we need some water too. Yes, our Earth needs more water. Even the poor regions of the Earth need water too. Even the rich regions of the Earth need water. Yes, this is really true. We need some water for survival. So if we expand the water level, we need just islands. Yes, islands are what we need. We don't need any land, we just need islands. Meaning that if we like throw one at the middle of the USA, we created a small island there Yeah, so, like, oh, please don't completely destroy. Yes. These are the islands of the Earth that we've created. Do you see? The islands form, and this way, life expands. However, although it would cause some flooding, so the water disappeared. Now, we need to expand the size of the Earth too. The mass should be about 2.30 Earths. However, now the radius should be bigger. So, right now we're at about 1.68 Earths. So, a bit smaller actually. So, here, this size is perfect. So this is the perfect size for a planet to be habitable. Yes, this is true. Now let's see. Okay, so the life likelihood decreased. Oh, our Earth is turning back to normal. So did you see that? So we need a lot of islands, and the way to do that is by simply pouring water all over the Earth and expanding it. This way we can do a lot of cool stuff when we create islands. In later videos we'll talk about volcanic stars. However, okay, so we've created a lot of islands and a few countries remaining. Yes, this would be great for life. And the mountains right here, like the Himalayas right here. Okay, guys, let me just draw this. This is actually season 2 of my episode. So, like, right here is the Himalayas. Yes. Right here is the Himalayas. And remember that this is S2 today and E1. So, it's episode 1, season 2. So, now that we know where's the Himalayas, or Mount Everest is, here, okay. So here's the tallest mountain on Earth. Half of it is in the ocean and half of it is on the surface. It's right around here, beside Hawaii. Okay, here. So, the object, it's hard to see, but let me just draw it. So here is Hawaii. Okay, so here is Hawaii, and here is the mountain. Yes. Here is the mountain. So, now that we've learned how life expands, now just simply add some more organics to it, meaning that we need more iron. So we need more iron. So, if we increase the iron like this, and then decrease the water, you see life decreases. However, if we increase the water, look how life expands. Yes. I hope you guys learned how to make a habitable planet, and I hope that you'll become and I hope that if you want to be a scientist, you'll become a great one to discover a planet really, really beautiful and habitable. See you guys next time. Bye.